If you're looking for something blue, something reliable, a ground cover that stays low to the ground, look no further than Blew My Mind evolvulus, also known as Blue Days. This is great for the landscape. A wonderful creeping ground cover that spreads pretty wide and has these beautiful blue flowers, just a true blue. These are actually dwarf morning glories, and this is an improved variety, Blew My Mind, that has profuse blooms, and boy, it can handle our heat here in the summer in Louisiana. This does great in a hanging basket because it has that spilling habit, and it does well in the landscape for the lower front end of your landscape beds. As you can see here, it's lower to the ground. Now these are great to create borders around landscape beds. Blew My Mind evolvulus, or Blue Days, is an excellent perennial, herbaceous perennial. Again, pollinators love this one too, that provides those unique blue flowers. Now, once these are established, they're very drought tolerant. Like I said, they perform well in our heat in the summer here in Louisiana, just out here blooming, blooming, blooming. They prefer full sun, but can take partial sun. A little bit of fertilizer in the spring helps bump up that flower production, but doesn't have a whole lot of insects or disease. Just a great performer for the landscape. Blew My Mind evolvulus. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.